Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Tai Emmanuel. Here I'll actually be sharing with you guys over 6,000 gradient that you can actually implement into your designs. Yes. So this is the folder. It's actually a GRD file extension. Yes. So very quickly, let me teach you guys how to install this font, how to import it into your Photoshop, so that when you need it you can just apply it very quickly and immediately. So let's get to our Photoshop. So this is Photoshop. So first we would go down here and click on gradient. Yes, that's on the layer panel. So you go to the layer panel and click on the gradient. So immediately you click on gradient, then you tap on this and then import. So this is for the latest version of Photoshop. So but previous versions of Photoshop you can actually see something like load. So what you first do is import. So import, then you will actually search for where you downloaded it. So mine is it's under download. Then I think it just took me there to shoot up. But if you can't find yours, you have to search for it. It is with the name over 6,000 gradient. Yes, so click on it and you load it. So it will take a little bit time to stop, not to because maximum gradient. So after waiting a little bit time for it, then you just scroll down, you will see this is it. These are the gradients. So no matter the gradients you're looking for, gold, you have different gradient, silver, this. So you have to just actually play with the angles. So you have red, just play with the angles, and these are over 6,000. They will give you what you want in your design project. So just play along with them and you'll be good. Please like, share and subscribe. Just go beneath the video in the description. You actually gain access to the Google Drive. Yes, so like, share and subscribe. Also turn on the bell notification. Yeah, you also need more free resources for your graphic design project. For a graphic project, just go beneath my previous videos and you gain access to a lot. I can't give you the particular number in which these resources are, but I could tag it as um unlimited resources. So you just go down beneath my previous videos, you gain access to unlimited resources. Yeah, cheers.